Hey everybody, how you doing? Do you have a Ford Crown Victoria with some really nasty headlights? Well, we're going to change those today. It's very simple. We're going to show you how. All right. Okay, you start with your headlight, and this really couldn't be any easier to change these out. You come behind here. You see these two little bars right here? You just pull up on them. And if they're in there a little bit tight, just get, use a little leverage, stuff like that. But most of the time, they're pretty easy, pop out. They are a little bit different, as you can see. 2 holes versus 1 hole. The 1 hole always goes to the middle of the car. And then your headlight will push out. And just coming from behind, you got them out. And it's that simple. You untwist your headlights, the bulbs that are in there, and this is your old unit. It's junk, so get rid of it. Okay, second step, to get the corner markers out, there's one Phillips head screw here, and on the inside, there's one little 10mm, and I'll show you that. And there's this little 10mm dude right back here. Just get a little socket on there, unscrew that, and then corner lights will come out. And once you have your nut out from inside here, they're just Phillips screw at the end here. And your corner light pops out. Now you're going to need to save the harness. Set your screw down. There's a little clip that holds the harness to the side marker. You're going to need to reuse that. Pull this out. Put your bulb out. That's junk too. Now let's get our new parts. And assembly is just the same process backwards. All right. New corner marker light. How nice and shiny this is. It's very nice. Take off the little sticker that covers the hole. You reinsert your corner marker bulb. Retuck the harness using the little clip that you saved. It's all ready to go. And then you pop it back in. You use the stud as your guide. Get it set in there. And then you tighten down your nut on the inside. On that little nut, just make it snug. It's good. Ready to corner light. Now let's pop in the new headlight. And one quick tip here, with your old headlight to your new headlight, with these 3 adjusters, go ahead and kind of eyeball the adjustment on these. Just makes it a little bit easier when you get them in the car. You're not futzing around. That one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. This one's got to come down a little. But take a look at the difference in these here. Between that, just trash. And that brand new headlight. And again, this whole kit's under 100. This whole kit's under $100. You can't go wrong. There's a link down there for a discount with Amazon to pick these up. And you go to install your new headlight. Go ahead and take this old hole down off the bulb, because chances are this is old and brittle and junk. Take your new one. You take your new one, you pop the bulb off with a harness. Just slip this behind here. All right, plug it back in. Take your new assembly, and your headlight bulb should sit flush right here. If it sticks up, it's just the wrong housing, and you got to put a different bulb in there. But if your car had the right ones in it, your locking ring just twists right on real easy. Orientate. Plug in your marker bulb. This opened end goes around that dude down there and the top clips in. And let me get this on because I'm doing this with one hand, and I'll be right back. Till it's in like so. And then same thing on the other side here. And there you go, guys. In about 15, maybe 20 minutes top, you go from this to this. Easy. All right, thanks. We'll see you next time.